Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to fix Windows resolution. If your Windows display looks blurry, stretched, or doesn't fit the screen correctly, the display resolution may be set incorrectly. Windows allows you to adjust the resolution and scaling settings to match your monitor's recommended configuration. Follow these steps to restore the proper display resolution. To begin, turn on your Windows computer and sign in. Right-click an empty area of the desktop, then select Display Settings from the menu. Scroll down to the Scale and Layout section. Click the Display Resolution drop-down menu. Select the resolution marked Recommended. Verify that the screen now fits your monitor properly. If the issue continues, click the Display Orientation menu and make sure it is set to Landscape. Scroll back to the top of Display Settings and confirm that the correct monitor is selected. If you have multiple displays, and restart your computer to ensure the new display settings are applied. If the resolution options are limited, open Device Manager and update your graphics driver. After updating the driver, return to Display Settings and check the available resolution options again. If the problem persists, install the latest graphics driver from your computer or graphics card manufacturer's website and test the display again. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.